Updating fiber optic lighting is easy and cost-effective with fiber to LED conversion kits from S.R.Smith. On this project, we replaced 5 fiber optic lights with 3 LED lights. LED lighting not only saves energy, it also offers color options and light shows. Ask your pool professional about dual zone options that allow you to create 2 zones of color. Use it to create 2 zones of color in the pool. Control the pool and spa separately, or choose to set up one of the zones for water features or backyard landscape lighting. Colors and light shows for each zone can be controlled from the easy-to-use handheld remote. For more information about S.R.Smith products, please visit srsmith.com.